Hey guys, it's me, Rigby Takahashi, and today on the Let's Make Stuff series, I'm making pancakes. This is take 2 because the first video cut out because the SD card was full. So, where'd my spatula go?
What kind of pancakes are you making?
I'm making blueberry pancakes. I got my trusty Crisco right here, so the pancakes don't stick to the pan. Give it a nice squirt, and just dump my batter in here. Yeah!
Okay. Not funny.
I do love me some pancakes. Oh boy! Oh, my phone went off. Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. Get off. Okay, there we go. And then
Clean your batter up the side of the bowl. They don't drip all over the counter.
they don't know that. Okay, I'm gonna put the blueberries in here in this pancake. I'm not gonna scream at the pancake again. That was bad. Yeah, there's dough on this. I'm just gonna kind of let my blueberries set into the pancake. You just gotta push them down in there a bit. I had to rinse the pan off because it smelled like fish. Because I didn't clean it from when we made salmon. So these aren't fishy this time. You're welcome.
You said that like they can smell it.
Maybe they can smell it. Maybe it's smell-o-vision. Maybe we're in the future. Is this 2030?
Make a bacon pancake.
I don't want to make a bacon pancake.
I want a bacon pancake.
And I want a mother who actually shuts her gob. They can't see you doing that.
I want a daughter who cleans up the kitchen without complaining about doing it.
I want a mom who respects my pronouns.
I've got a daughter who's fixing to get a size 10 foot up her ass.
Yeah, well, I've got a size 11 and a half. Step up.
Don't make it.
You're gonna get a doughy pancake.
You want to go to the mall and go shopping?
I'll go by myself.
You better be nice to me.
Go by myself.
I have the money.
Yeah, well, I got $50 to my name, so there.
Well, whoop-de-doo, I got 750. Ha ha.
Aha, half of it's not yours because you gotta pay bills. I got them. Oh my god, all you see is my eyeball. It's really hot down here. I shouldn't get this
Well,
close.
you'll be an adult eventually. Once you hit 18, I'll kick you out, and then you can pay your own bills.
You can't kick, a dead person can't kick somebody out. Better lock.
She's being mean to me, people, and I have cancer. It's not nice to be mean to people with cancer.
Better lock your doors. Oh yeah, use your cancer as an excuse for everything.
Tell her she better be nice to me.
Yeah, be nice to her. She's gonna be dead soon.
You're an ass.
I know I am. I just came here to make pancakes and have a good time, and right now I'm feeling so attacked. Everybody in this video is going to be like, is this how you really cook all the time? Yes, this is how we cook all the time. We bicker like two old ladies in the park feeding pigeons. I fed that pigeon more! Okay,
Don't forget the butter on the pancakes.
it's not completely black, but it's cooked just enough. And you can see the little blueberries in there. It looks nice and yummy. I'm going to put this on the plate.
Use the country crock, it's veggie.
Use the country crock. Because we're healthy in this house, no we're not.
Turn your fan on.
Oh, it smells like fish in here.
You're smoking the place up.
Oh god, it smells awful.
The neighbor's gonna think the building's on fire.
All they're gonna do is smell fish and be like, oh, what are the neighbors cooking? Maybe they're just taking a shower again.
Not me.
like smells fish. Oh, somebody's taking a shower. Okay, I'll make the bacon pancake.
Yay, bacon
So
pancakes.
you take the pre-cooked bacon, and you just kind of
Bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes.
and you just kind of rip it up and throw it in the pancake.
You take some bacon and you put it in a pancake.
Just like Adventure Time, you take some bacon and you put it in a pancake. So I got my bacon in my pancake. I'm gonna push it in there just a bit.
And it's so good. They go home.
And I'm gonna let this cook. And then I'm gonna flip the pancake. You guys get a good view of that? That bacon in there? Looks tasty, right? Hope none of you are vegetarians, because if you are, I'm sorry.
No animal was hurt in the process of making this pancake. I didn't kill it, I just eat it.
Yeah, I'm not a killer, I'm an eater. I'm a serial killer.
Yeah, she drowned cereal in milk.
Oh, that's a very black pancake. You know what? I'm
Oh,
gonna
you're burning my pancake? What's wrong with you?
It's very. Hey, don't be racist, okay? Look at this beautiful black pancake. With all its little spots and deformities. It may look bad, but it still tastes good on the inside. Life lesson: don't judge a pancake by its burn marks.
You burned my pancake.
Shh, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Oh God, she's on the move. She ain't got pants on either, that's why she's not on camera.
I have drawers on. Thank you very much. I'm not saying
She's got bloomers on. Oh God, she's got the country crock.
The country crock. The veggie spread.
Not sponsored.
It's original. Look at all that creamy goodness. Here, put this on the pancakes.
So we got one bacon and one blueberry pancake. This is the bacon, this is the blueberry. We're gonna put some country crock.
Can I please have a knife?
We're gonna put some country crock on these pancakes to make them extra healthy. So you just want to scoop that up and you just want to glide it on them pancakes all nice. Please don't do that, that's disgusting. I'm trying to make pancakes here and you're ruining it.
Bacon.
Hey, you're blocking my delicious smearing.
No.
Ew. Country crock sucks. I'm just trying to make a beautiful video and it's just 5 minutes of me rubbing a pancake. This isn't pancake porn.
Get frisky with these pancakes.
Okay, I got the country crock kind of smeared on there. Looks delicious. And that was making pancakes. So if you guys want to see any different types of pancakes, send us your pancake recipes and varieties. Maybe we'll try them out.
Next week it'll be goldfish pancakes. Tune in.
Tuna in? Goldfish? Okay. We're not cooking live goldfish and pancakes, don't worry. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, boop the like button. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Send us your food recommendations. We'll see what we can cook. Bye. Bye, guys. Mom, turn the camera off. Turn the camera off. Bye.
I forgot how.
Click the red button on the back. Bye. Turn it off.